Hey everyone, welcome back to Single English. In this video, I gonna talk about going versus running. This is very challenging topic and this is something difficult here. So in this lesson, I will cover all aspects about going and running. Okay. So at the end, you will understand what's the use of going and running. Okay, so watch this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So first of all guys, you need to understand what's the similarities between going and running. So as you can see here, so first of all we talk about similarities between going and running. So here first similarity is related to the action of movement. Okay, so both involve moving from one place to another. Okay, both involve moving from one place to another or engaging in a process. This is first similarity. Okay, next progression. Next similarity is related to progression. Okay, so they imply an activity that occurs over time. Okay, they implies an activity that occurs over time. This is second similarity. And third similarity is here G-land forms. Both are G-lands because we have added verbs ending in ing and can function as nouns. Okay, so these here three similarities here. First is related to action or movement because both involve moving from one place to another. Next is related to progression. They imply an activity that occurs over time. And third similarity is related to gerund forms. Both are gerunds because verbs ending in ing. Okay, so let's talk about difference between going and running. Okay, so first of all, here you can see, first of all we will see going. Okay, so here definition is there. So the act of moving from one place to another, the act of moving from one place to another. Okay, often at a general pace with an intent. Often at a general pace or within intent. Okay, for example, I am going to market to buy some vegetables. I am going to market to buy some vegetables. Okay, next, are you going to the party? Are you going to the party? Next, she is going on vacation next week. Next, they were going home when it started to rain. Next, he kept going despite the difficult circumstances. Okay, so here you can easily understand all these examples because the act of moving from one place to another. Okay, so we have to use going. Okay, so but often a general pace or within intent. Okay, next we talk about running. Okay, definition here, the act of moving quickly on foot. This is important thing here, the act of moving quickly on foot, and also used figuratively describe something operating or functioning. Okay, here the use of and the definition of running. Here the act of moving quickly on foot and also used figuratively to describe something operating or functioning. This is major difference here. Okay, major difference is going for one, moving one place to another, but here act quickly on foot. Okay, not not one place to another. Here, one place to here, moving from one place to another, but not here. Here only moving quickly on foot. And second, here, often a journal pace with an intent. Often a journal pace or with an intent. But here, figuratively to describe something operating or functioning. Let's understand these examples. She is running. She is running in the park every morning to stay fit. She is running in the park every morning to stay fit. So she is running. Here, she is moving quickly on foot. Understand? Understand? Running. She is moving quickly on foot because she is running in the park every morning to stay fit. You understand this example? Next, the children were running. The children were running around the playground happily. Okay, so you know, children are moving quickly on foot. Okay, next, but here they are moving one place to another because here are you going to the party? So they are moving one place to another. Okay, and next here I am going to the market to buy some vegetables. So here they are also moving one place to another, but not here. Here only moving quickly on foot. Next example here, the car is running out. The car is running out of fuel. We need to refuel soon. Okay, here the car is running out of fuel. So it's a operating or functioning process. Okay, you know, second use here figuratively to describe something operating or functioning. Next, he is running a successful business in the city. He is running a successful business in the city. So here, operating or functioning. Next, the water is running. The water was running from the tap all nights. Okay, the water was running from the tap all nights. So you guys, you understand operating or functioning? For operating or functioning, we have to use running, and moving from one place to another, we have to use going. Okay, so guys, you understand all these examples of running, and these are all examples related to going. Okay, so let's see key difference, and you can easily understand more. Okay, key difference here first is related to going. Okay, so first, action or movement. She is going to the store. She is going to the store. Indicates movement toward a place. Indicates movement toward a place. But running, if I talk about running action or movement. He is running in the park. He is running in the park. Okay, so here indicates faster movement than walking. Indicate faster movement than walking here. He is running in the park. So here indicates faster movement than walking. Okay, next, if I talk about progression. Okay, progression. Things are going well. Progression. So indicates how a situation is progressing. And next, if I talk about running for progression. So the car is running smoothly. Indicates operational functioning. So you guys understand each of two here, going and running. Two keywords here. Here are two keywords, going and running, but here only one or two use of going, action or movement related, and next also running, action or movement, two uses, progression. Okay, so action or movement, if I talk about going, if I talk about action or movement. Okay, so here indicates only movement toward a place. Okay, or progression indicates only a situation. And next, running running action or movement. Running indicates faster movement than walking, and progression indicates operation or functioning. Okay, so guys, you understand the difference between running and going. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel. So see you in my next video very soon.